Hi, it's Simon from Macquarie Street Physio, and I recently purchased this product. It's called a SoleMate, and I bought it because I was having ongoing issues with my Achilles, and I want to tell you how much I love it, and I want to show you some of the things it can do. So it comes like this. It's made of cork, and if we take the rubber bands off, then inside we've got our little foot roller, which is great for mobilization of our feet. But I wanted to show you some exercises that you can do with this. So firstly, if we're just using one of them, we can do our traditional calf raises. But what's happening is you end up using your feet and your toes a whole lot more because you're gripping onto the half log here basically. So as I'm doing my calf raises, I'm really engaging through my toes, and they help deliver the force and also help with my balance. Now, my Achilles was getting quite cranky, and after I run, then I would be walking and not getting to the front of my foot. So I wasn't really trusting the front of my foot. But this exercise has been really helpful to get my weight right to the front of my foot and re-strengthen up all those muscles in the front. We can do bent knee calf raises. So we can do multiple sets of these things. We can practice trying to balance. And this, I'm gripping on with my toes, and after a minute or two, my feet start to burn, muscularly burn, because they're working quite hard. We can try, hang on a little bit, and do some marches. Now, with my weak Achilles, I continued to collapse on this side because I wasn't trusting my foot. But as my foot's got stronger, I'm getting more comfortable with that, and then eventually we can do no hands sometimes. We can take our SoleMate and make it into a little log. We put our rubber band around here, and then we've got a little, quite a forgiving beam for us to balance on. So when we're in here and we're balancing, our foot is curving around the beam, so it's making it more mobile through your midfoot. We can practice holding these positions. We can practice trying to move in these positions. Do circles. All the time my ankle and my feet are getting stronger and my reaction time's improving. I can be balancing. I can practice moving while I'm on here. I can get into different stances. You can split them, and you can be transferring your weight across from side to side, working on your balance. You can use them great for doing things like squats, elevated squats, to get full deep range of motion. You can be balancing and getting down into crouch positions. Thousands of things you can do with this thing. So anyway, I'm a huge fan, and if anyone's interested, you want to improve your balance, you want to improve your foot mobility, or get rid of that injury that you've developed a limp and you're not moving quite well, this will help break down those weaknesses that you have and restore you back to full function. The SoleMate.